Here is how to fix iPhone message notification sound not working. First of all, what you have to do is you have to open settings and then you have to scroll down and just tap on sounds and haptics and you have to select text on over here. You have to choose a notification sound that is not set to none. So what you have to do is tap the sound to preview it, then return to save your selection. And next what you have to do is you can also open the settings and here you have to just scroll down and find the notifications option over here. You have to just search for the notifications. If you are unable to find, you can search over here. What you have to do is you have to select messages. You have to scroll down and you have to select messages over here, and then you have to make sure allow notifications is turned on. Also verify that alerts are enabled for your preferred locations such as lock screen, notification center and banners as well. And also you have to increase alert volume by just tapping and clicking on the volume up button, and you can also increase or drag it from the slider as well. Lastly, what you have to do is you have to go to the settings and you have to just tap on the focus mode. You have to check if a focus mode is enabled. You have to turn it off and then you have to restart and update your iPhone. It will fix this issue. And